Hello, everyone. My name is Jane. I'm from Niagara College, Canada, and we are a public college located in Niagara region of Ontario. Can I have?
The clicker. Welcome.
Yes. So in 9 years in a row, we have been ranked among top 10 research college in Canada, and for 2023 and 2024, we were proud to be organized as number one research college in Canada. At Niagara College, we also offer very unique hands-on experience with 12 on-campus businesses that open to public and allowing students to gain valuable work while they study. At Niagara College, we offer more than 130 programs across 15 schools of study at two state-of-art campuses, a DJP campus in Niagara-on-the-Lake and one Welland campus in Welland City. And more than 50% of our program aligns with the post-graduation work permit, latest post-graduation work permit eligibility guidelines from IRCC. And this means that after graduating, you can stay in Canada and gain valuable work for up to 3 years after graduating. Our PGWP eligible programs fall alike some key field of study, including agriculture, healthcare, STEM, trade, and transportation. At DJP campus in Niagara-on-the-Lake, we focus on supply chain, culinary innovation, and food technology, environment studies, and beverage studies. We are the only school in Canada possess the vineyard on campus, allowing students to participate in every step in the winemaking process, from growing, harvesting grapes to making the high quality wines. And at our Welland campus, we are more specialized in engineering and healthcare studies. I would say Niagara is a great place to live and study, providing and offering a very low, affordable cost of living while maintaining a high quality of life. Living in Niagara, it's about 95% lower cost of living compared to other major city. And for international students, they can stay and live with the local homestay family for 950% per month with 3 meals a day, private bedroom, and furniture as well as the internet. For those who haven't met the language proficiency requirement at our school, we also offer the English academic preparation with 5 levels. And you don't need to submit any English certificate or the IELTS test, but you just need to do a field placement test so that we can assess and valuable your level and arrange the suitable class for you. And if you are interested in the English summer camp, then we also offer the English language and culture program, which is lasts for 4 weeks. And we accept student 17 age and above, and with a very affordable tuition. Okay. And at Niagara College, we also offer so many student services from airport pickup transportation to career center and employment support. So we do encourage the student to be active and to find your own job offer. But if you meet any difficulties, then you can reach out to our career center and our advisor to get the job offer. We also have the housing and settlement, which can connect the student with the homestay. Depends on your interest, your personality. For example, if you are vegetarian, then we can arrange and connect you with the suitable homestay. And you can see on the screen, we also have some other social activity support and advisement, transition and immigration support. So obviously, you will have support from Pacific Premier Study Abroad. But if you are studying at Niagara College and you have any problem regarding immigration, then you can reach out to our advisor. Yes, and these are some award winning and a top ranked excellence of Niagara College. Yes, and that's it all about our Niagara College. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you very much, Jane. And now a big round of applause to Jane. So, Jane, could, could you please come on the stage with me? And if I want you to make a conclusion in one sentence to describe the Niagara College and tell the Thai parents to trust you, what would you say?
Yes, I would say we offer very unique hands-on experience.
Unique hands-on experience.
Yes, because we have 12 on-campus businesses that allowing students to participate in like the real work and gain valuable work while they study at school.
You mean real experience?
Exactly.
Children will get real experience before transfer to university. Wow, amazing. Okay, and one more question. If we choose Niagara College, can we really see the Niagara Falls from the campus? Can we?
Not really, but it just take about 15 minutes.
Oh, 15
from
minutes.
Our
Close
campus
enough.
to the Niagara Falls. Yes. So it's very, very close.
ผมถามนะครับว่าถ้าหากว่าเลือกที่จะเรียนที่ Niagara College เนี่ยนะฮะมองเห็นน้ำตกเลยไหมนะเขาบอกว่าไม่เกิน15นาทีก็ไปถึงแล้วครับเพราะฉะนั้นนะฮะอยากจะนั่งเรียนด้านข้างสิ่งมหัศจรรย์ของโลกเลือกที่นี่ครับ Niagara College Thank you very much Jane
Thank you so
Thank you so much
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much